This is Shantavia Griffin, and this is my video essay question recording for Chapter 16. The first question is, which type of hormone receptor, plasma membrane bound or intracellular, would be expected to provide the most long-lived response to hormone binding, and why? And my answer to that question is intracellular receptors would result in the most long-lived response because membrane-bound receptors activate second messengers that are degraded rapidly by intracellular enzymes, which ends up terminating the target cell's response. And with the activation of intracellular receptors, it causes synthesis of new proteins, which then would produce persistent effects. And for the second question, Roger Peterson has severe arthritis and has been taking prednisone, a glucocorticoid, for 2 months. He isn't feeling well, complains of repeated colds, and is extremely puffy. Explain the normal role of glucocorticoids and then explain the reason for these symptoms. Glucocorticoids, the main function is to help the body with long-term response to stress. They also help the body to adapt to intermittent food intake by keeping blood glucose levels fairly consistent and help maintain blood pressure. The reason for these symptoms could be too much cortisol exerts significant anti-inflammatory and anti-immune effects, and excessive levels of glucocorticoids. It could depress cartilage and bone formation, inhibits inflammation by decreasing the release of inflammatory chemicals. It can depress the immune system and disrupt normal cardiovascular, neural, and gastrointestinal functions.